These remarkable birds exhibit problem-solving skills similar to primates. Crows can use tools to access food, showcasing their advanced cognitive abilities. Let's explore how they do this. First, they observe their environment closely. Then, they understand cause and effect. Finally, they experiment with different tools to achieve their goal. For instance, a crow might drop a nut onto the road. It waits for cars to crack it open. Crows also demonstrate social intelligence. They can recognize individual human faces and can even hold grudges. In summary, crows are smarter than you might think. Their problem-solving skills and social behavior are astounding. Want to learn more about these amazing birds? Subscribe for more insights.